Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you would like to see what look it is that we're doing today, make sure you stick till the end so you can get all the details on what it is we're doing to our face today. Okay, so I just quickly got done moisturizing my face. It's something that I know I usually don't do on camera, but I wanted to go ahead and just like moisturize real quick to show you guys like what moisturizer I use and the steps that I take prior to like caking my face. For moisturizer today, what I used was this e.l.f. Daily Hydration Moisturizer, and this is actually like the only moisturizer I've ever used but it honestly works really good. It keeps my skin hydrated, and I noticed like a big difference ever since I started using a moisturizer on my skin. So now that I went ahead and applied my moisturizer, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my drops. And it's some oil drops that I apply to my face from O2O. It's the Rose Gold Elixir 24 Gold Infused Beauty Oil, and it looks something like this. This is what the dropper looks like. I literally just like fill it like that. Ooh, it's probably not. My hand is all shaky. And then I apply it like that, and then some right there in the center. With my fingers, I like to, in circular motion, apply all the oil. Okay, so for primer today, we went ahead and used the NYX Hydra Touch primer base, and it's this one right here. It's completely out already, but I wanted to go ahead and use the last bits of it, like literally it's like all gone. I'm gonna go ahead and quickly do my eyebrows off camera, carve them out, and then I'll be right back. So I already went ahead and I primed my eyes, and I used the Tarte Shape Tape, which is this one right here, in light neutral. To blend that out, I went ahead and used this brush from Morphe. It doesn't have a number, so yeah, it's this one right here. I'm gonna be using the James Charles palette, this one right here, and I'm gonna go into mostly just the color 518, which that's that orange one right there. This one right here. And yeah, that's probably the only color that I'm going to be using for this look today, but we'll see if I add another color. So to pack on the color, I'm going to go ahead and use the Morphe M507. That's this one right here. I'm gonna go ahead and grab this clean brush right here. It's a Morphe M514, and I'm just gonna go ahead and blend out the outer areas. I'm gonna go ahead and spray my brush a little bit with rose water, and I'm gonna dig it back into that orange and intensify it right here. So now I'm gonna go ahead and switch over to this brush, and this is, I don't remember. There it is. Okay, so now we're gonna go into this color right here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab that same brush that I used to blend out the orange. I'm gonna just clean it, and I'm gonna blend this area out. Then I'm blending it very gently. I'm not even like pressing hard on it. So I went ahead and I already applied eyeliner and my lash onto the side off camera. For lashes, I am using these right here. They're from Perfect Salon, and they're in the style 615. For eyeliner, I'm using this one right here, and it's the NYX Vivid Brights. Now we're gonna go ahead and apply some shimmer to our brow bone, and I'm gonna go ahead and use the color Ring Light. I'm gonna go ahead and set this eye so that the shadows could stay in place, and for that I'm using the Morphe setting mist. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing with it to this side, to that eye. Okay, so I'm done with my eyes for now. Now we're gonna go ahead and move on to our face. For foundation, I am gonna be using the Maybelline 24-Hour Superstay, which has been like literally my favorite at the moment. So I pretty much just took some out on my hand, and I'm just gonna start applying it. For beauty blender, I'm using this one from Juno & Co, and it's the Velvet Beauty Blender. For concealer, I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape in Light Neutral. And I'm going to be using the same beauty blender to blend this out. I already went ahead and blended out all my concealer. Now I'm going to go ahead and quickly bake under my eyes, and we're going to be using the ColourPop translucent setting powder for that. I'm going to just dump a little bit out. So I just set these areas for now. I'm gonna go ahead and contour, and then I'll set the rest of my face. To contour, I'm gonna be using the Bahama Mama bronzer. I like to use my Real Techniques brush. It's this one right here. I already went ahead and set all my face, and I as well cut my contour. You know, did all this. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and I think I'm gonna start dusting it off already, because I don't want it to look too pale on me. And with these type of translucent powders, that always tends to happen. You see how like it leaves that white residue behind? Under my eye, I'm not trying to dust it off that well because we're not done with the eyes just yet. I am gonna go ahead and add yellow and orange down here like I did to the top. I want to make sure I leave at least a little bit of that translucent powder right there, so that if I have any fall off, it doesn't like stick to my foundation. I'm gonna go in with this smaller brush. Oh, I didn't even tell you guys what brush I used to remove all my setting powder. I went ahead and I used this crown brush, which is the same one that I use in every look. It's like my go-to brush. And then I'm gonna go in with this smaller one right here, which is the Morphe M529, just to make sure I remove like the any harsh lines. Okay, for my under eye, I'm gonna be using this brush from the Gunmetal collection, and I'm just gonna go in on this little corner here with it. It's just gonna be opposite, pretty much. You know how I put the yellow first and then the orange? So I'm just gonna put orange here and then yellow here. Okay, so we are done with our under eye. My pelitos are all over the place. Every time I record for you guys, my hair is always a mess and all over the place. But you know, I always say, my whole purpose of this is to show you guys how I get certain looks done, not my hair. We're gonna go ahead and go into our blush. And then for blush, I am gonna be using my same blush as always, which is my Morphe, my bad, which is my MAC in the color Margin. And I'm gonna be using this little brush that I've been using lately. I used it in my last video as well. And this brush, my sister gave it to me. It's the blush brush, so let's go ahead and use that. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and grab my Crown Brush C515, which is this pointy one right here. I'm gonna spray it, and I'm gonna go into the color Ring Light, and I'm just gonna apply that to my inner corner. Like, I just love the pop that gives it. Look at this. Look at this eye. Look at this eye. Y'all see the difference? Dude, I'm starving. Freaking hungry. I actually got up early, took my daughter to school, came back, washed my face and everything, so I can go ahead and record this video for you guys. So right now, I haven't ate. It is like, I believe it's like 10 in the morning right now. And I'm hungry. Usually by this time I already ate something. Of course, I already had my coffee. Hate it, okay. But I'm fucking hungry. My body feels like all shaky. I haven't even done my workouts, which I don't think I'm gonna be doing them this morning, so maybe later. So we're practically done with our eyes. All we have left to do is apply a bit of mascara to our lower lashes. I am gonna apply some white eyeliner to my waterline, and we need to apply some highlighter, so I'll be right back. So I'm back, and as you can see, I already have on my white liner on my waterline. I applied a bit of mascara to my lower lashes.
So we're gonna go ahead and apply our
We're gonna go ahead and apply our highlighter and some lips. For highlighter, I always use this. I used to use a fan brush all the time before, but now I use this Morphe M501, and it's this little brush right here. We're gonna go ahead and damp it a little bit. For lash glue, I went ahead and used my Kiss adhesive, which was sent to me in my influencer box. For highlighter, I was gonna go ahead and use my Anastasia Glow Kit palette, but we're just gonna go ahead and use some Fenty Beauty, and this is the Lighting Dust and the Fire Crystal. It's the Kilowatt highlighter. It's this one right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and pick into both of them. Oh my god, this is so freaking beautiful. The highlighter, it's like forever gonna be my favorite part of makeup. I'm going to apply some here, a little more. So on my lips, I went ahead and I applied my lippy stick from ColourPop, and it is in the color I'm Bad At Ya, and it's like a really bright orange. Let's just go ahead and set our face. And to set my complete face, I'm going to be using the De-Slick Urban Decay setting spray, and that's this one right here. And then I like using this one a bit more than I like to use the Morphe setting mist, just because with the Morphe one, I realized that my makeup still transfers onto clothing. I noticed that. So this one is still my favorite. This one is definitely still my favorite just because it is an all-nighter setting spray. My makeup literally, legitly lasts like all day, and it doesn't transfer the makeup onto clothing. It's one of the main things that I like my setting mist to do. I want them to like prevent from my makeup transferring onto clothing or from it moving and getting all over the place. So therefore, this is my to-go-to. Okay, so we are definitely done with this look. The only thing left to do now is my hair. So I'll be right back with the finished look. Let me just go ahead and comb out these greñas. Okay guys, so this is the final look. What do you guys think? For lipstick, in case I didn't mention it, I am wearing... I'm always dropping shit. On my lips, I am wearing a ColourPop lippy stick, and it's this one right here, and it is in the color I Ain't Bad At Ya, and this is a matte color. I really do love it because it is matte. It doesn't transfer onto like my teeth as much. Oh, I also did pick up my hair like in a half ponytail type of thing. I like it and I don't at the same time, just because my hair ain't that long yet. So yeah, I might have to like use some extensions or something so it could look more like voluminous or whatever. But you can also just like wear your hair down. Like this is just one of the hairstyles I decided to go with. I usually like to do like the partido in the middle, and then I would typically just do this. That's what I normally do, since like obviously down is where how I usually have my hair. And then voila, this is another hairstyle you can do, you know, for this like a makeup look, something simple. Nothing so crazy, in case you don't really like to mess with your hair, or like have ponytail, or even pick it up in a bun and just take out some little bitty things on the sides, and that'll look cute too. That's how I had it earlier, actually. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe if you are not yet subscribed. And if you have any comments or questions for me, just leave them down below, and I'll make sure to get to them and respond back to each one of you guys. And I'll see you guys in my next video.